Hi guys, so how to fix Telegram login issue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Telegram login problem easily and fast. First thing you want to do is just go to the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you're going to find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple, scroll until you find Telegram like that. When you find it, click on Telegram and then click on force stop. When you force stop the app now, all what you want to do next is click on storage. Click on manage space, it will clear all the storage as you can see. Go back and then click on clear cache. And the last thing you want to do is go back again and click on permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back to the home page and now turn off your mobile phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.